The things that I love are like birds in a tree. They sing out their songs and set my heart free. The round rusty robin, always perched nearby, and the bright-eyed blackbird, too quick for the pie. The tall, slender heron, who patiently waits, and the wild, dark crow, a friend of the fates. But the bird that is nestled closest to my heart is the lowly gray pigeon you see in the park. Undaunted by labels that blacken her name, she knows for certain that life is a game. She dodges and darts, sure-footed and quick. To live in this city requires just such a trick. See the sheen on her feathers, all purple and green. This little grey bird to me is a queen. And so all these fellows, led by her grace, fly out of the tree and deep into space, becoming their beauty that I nurture and cherish. Such soul-centered songs never will perish. For the things that I love are like birds in a tree. They sing out their songs and set my heart free.